what do we got here?
We have a recoil. We have a broken cord.
No, just fix it.
What if I don't know what I'm doing?
Figure it out.
Okay,
Are you going to use the new rope?
we're going to use the new rope. Pull the cord out as far as we can go.
Tell the camera above you.
Stick a couple screwdrivers in there. That camera can't hear me. There's nothing pretty about this.
Tie a figure-8 knot in the end of the rope. Slide both sections of the handle over the rope. Carefully fit the rope through the inner section of the handle. And pull the rope far enough to be able to tie another figure-8 knot. Pull the sections of the handle to the end of the rope and fit the knot into the groove. Pull the two sections of the handle together and snap in place. Then pull the rope tight so that the knot at the end is fitted into the pulley and will not interfere with any other parts. At this point, the rope can be tensioned by pulling on the rope to give it slack. Holding the pulley stationary, while winding the rope in the direction of the rotation of the pulley and pulling out the slack. This process can be repeated as many times as needed until the correct tension is obtained. If too much tension is put on the pulley, the spring will be under stress and may fail prematurely.
And when I came back, this is what was there.
There's nothing pretty about this.